Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning Unit 11. Its title is Stormy Weather. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about rhyming words. And before this, I have already taught you about rhyming words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to identify one-syllable words that rhyme. This is our today's SNO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Kawthar, verse 1 till 3. Indeed, we have granted you, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Al-Kawthar. So pray to your Lord and offer sacrifice to him alone. Indeed, your enemy is the one cut off. Yes, my dear children, what these beautiful verses tells us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and he is saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have granted Al-Kawthar to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ask from your Qari Sahib what Al-Kawthar is, okay? And then Allah is saying, pray to your Lord. So, beta, we should always pray. After our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, this is a message for all of us. We should pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only, right? Now, my dear children, look at this word, pray. What can be more words which rhyme with it? Pray, play, say, etc. Right? So this is how we can make words which rhyme with each other. So first you tell me, what are rhyming words? Do you know what are rhyming words? I have taught you. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could answer it that rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. When two words have same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. For example, cat, hat, cat, hat. They are rhyming. Why? Because their ending sound is same. Other example, man, pan. There can be more. Man, pan, fan, van, etc. Right? So all the words which have same ending sound are called rhyming words. The other example is dish, fish, same ending sound, so they are rhyming words, right? This we have already learned. So you could recall everything. Good job. Now let's practice it through an activity. So what we are going to do, teacher will show pictures which can be cards, or teacher can draw a picture like bat and other one-syllable words. Ask students to change first letter of the word to make a list of rhyming words. For example, if teacher writes and make a picture of bat, you can make cat, hat, rat, mad, fat, etc. Right? Likewise, your teacher will keep giving you words and you will keep making its rhyming words. Right? Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time to practice it from your book. This is how you will identify and circle two in each row that rhyme with the first word. So you will read the first word. What is that? Tub. From this row, you have to circle two words which rhyme with tub. What they can be? Rub? Yes, it rhymes. Box? No. Cup? Yes, because they have same ending sound, so they are rhyming words. So in this way, you are going to complete this task in your book, right? So pause the video, complete this task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 10 one-syllable rhyming words. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will circle the words which rhyme with the first one. Once again, one word is given here, so you have to circle the words which rhyme with this word, right? So in this way, you will complete this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned that rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. And we identified and practiced rhyming words. So we achieved our SLO to identify one-syllable words that rhyme. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.